Hi everyone. Today, four of us, Naomi Jonatas, Talita Marcus, Awanima Elginia, and Milton Tuinvaart. Our topic is 2017 Service Year Report of Jehovah's Witnesses worldwide. Today, we will talk about the Jehovah's Witnesses. Who are we? We will see a graphic of the data from the Grand Total 2017. During the 2017 service year, and last but not least, around the world, Jehovah's Witnesses. Please listen to Talita Marcus with Jehovah's Witnesses. Who are we?
I will talk about Jehovah's Witnesses. Who are we? We come from hundreds of ethnic and languages backgrounds. There are a lot of languages, and yet we are united by common goals. We all Jehovah Witnesses have a goal, and that is to tell other person about God. All, above all, we want to honor Jehovah. Jehovah. Who is God? God is our Father. He wants us to have the best life possible. And He wants to be close to us. He is the Almighty, the most powerful person in the universe. And the name of our God is Jehovah. The Bible, the God of the Bible, and the creator of all things. So Jehovah is the God of the Bible and the creator of everything in the world. Um, we do our best to imitate Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ is the Son of our God, Jehovah, and are proud to be called Christians. So, each of us regularly spend time helping people learning about the Bible. And someday Jehovah Witnesses go on the street in groups, and they go to every houses they see, and they go to tell people about Jehovah. They want to learn people about Jehovah, about the Bible, and about God's kingdom. What is God's kingdom? Jehovah set up a heavenly government and chose Jesus to be its king. The Bible calls this government God's kingdom. Jesus is the king of those who rule as kings and Lord of those who rule as lords. Jesus is able to do more good than any human ruler ever could, and he is more powerful than all human rulers put together. Because we witnesses, we are talk about Jehovah God and his kingdom. We are know we are known as Jehovah Witnesses. The people who go to another person to tell them about the Bible and and God's kingdom, about Jehovah. They were called Jehovah's Witnesses. Jehovah's Witnesses. So, um, please listen. Please listen to Eugenia, and she will talk about during the 2017 services year.
During the service year 2017. Here is the data about the graphic about Jehovah Witness, data about Jehovah Witness, and the graphic show how the values and the compare by the pioneers. Jehovah Witness spent over 202 million in caring for special pioneers, missionaries, and circuit overseers in their field service assignments. Worldwide, a total of 90,730 ordained ministers staff the branch facilities. All are members of the worldwide orders of special full-time servants of Jehovah Witness. Now you are going to listen to Milton Thainfort.
Around the world, Jehovah Witness. The life of Jehovah Witness around the world. Jehovah Witness are people with many ethnic and cultural backgrounds. You may be familiar with our preaching work, but we also help our communities in other important ways. As conclusion, we have the basic that Jehovah Witness shoes that came from Matthew 24:15, and the good news of the kingdom will be preached in all the inhabited earth for all witness to all the nations